In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the dashboard on WordPress.com. This simple WordPress tutorial is perfect for beginners who are just getting started with their blogging journey or managing their own website. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Chrome browser and head over to WordPress.com. Make sure you type it in correctly and hit Enter. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in on the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and this will take you to the login screen. Now, on the login screen, you'll notice you have a couple of choices. You can either continue with your email or use your Google account if that's more convenient for you. Choose the option that feels best for you and click on it. If you decide to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Just click on the account associated with your WordPress profile, and you'll move on to the next step. After selecting your account, you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to click Continue to give your final confirmation. This ensures that you're logging into WordPress securely with the right credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress.com homepage. The next thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Dashboard button. This will take you to the heart of managing your WordPress site. When you reach the dashboard, you'll find several important sections. Here, you can manage posts, track your site's stats, customize your themes, and much more. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Take your time to explore each section. The more you familiarize yourself, the easier it will be to navigate in the future. A few tips to enhance your dashboard experience. Bookmark the dashboard page for easy access later. Also, remember that WordPress frequently updates, so it might look slightly different in the future. Always look in the top menu or left sidebar for the tools you need. If you're new to WordPress, it's a good idea to visit the Help section. Here you can find tutorials and FAQs that address common concerns. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating the WordPress.com dashboard. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll be well on your way to creating and maintaining a compelling site. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.